Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It's like today we're doing number 284. We start with this box. We're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 here and an 8 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 and an 8 here, so 7. 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we're only missing a 9. For this row, we're missing a 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column, we're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 7. No help here, 6, 7, 9. Up, and a 7 and a 9 here. So that means this is our 6. That 6 makes this our 7 and 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 4. Don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 and 5 here. So this is our 9. 1 here, so 5, 1. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. For this column now, we're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. That 8 makes this our 6, 8, and that 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this top row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 1 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.